Hey everyone, this is a follow-up video of our Good e-Reader audio reader app. Now, a lot of people said when we did a screen capture that you couldn't see what we were touching because you had no fingertips. So we're going to do a video of this instead. So what we wanted to kind of go over is when you click on a book and you want to initiate the text-to-speech, you can't start the text-to-speech from the beginning of the book, much like on any audiobook, because what it's going to do is it's going to read the licenses, it's going to read the title, it's going to read produced by, it's going to read all this kind of introductory stuff. So you have to get past all this, or else it's going to read the whole table of contents. See, it's the same as if you were to use any TTS text-to-speech engine on any app. So what you have to do is you actually have to scroll down to the body of text that you'd like to read and then initiate the text-to-speech.
Sat in a corner of the parlor next to fire and drank rum and water very strong. Mostly he would not speak when spoken to, only look up sudden and fierce and blow through his nose like a foghorn, and we and the people who came about our house soon learned to let him be.
So that basically holds true for any book. You can't just basically start from the beginning, because if you do, it's going to say Project Gutenberg's, etc., and these are all public domain books, but it's going to read out release date May 19th, 2009, ebook number. So you just basically, what I wanted to say was get past all this, even click on your table of contents, which we do have activated, all the way to your body of text that you want to read, isolate it by kind of getting it into the zone, and from there you're able to read your text-to-speech properly. So I hope this helped you guys out for goodereader.com, and a small follow-up on the audio reader app. Everyone have a great day.